Hey y'all, welcome back to Toya's Garden Haven. I am here in Zone 6B in Missouri, and we are getting ready to up pot some leggy tomatoes. So if you got some leggy tomatoes and you're like, what do I need to do next? Then keep watching. Y'all, we got a big task ahead of us with a lot of tomatoes to get up potted. So let's just go ahead and make this happen. So the great thing about tomatoes, y'all, is that they will grow roots all along this hairy stem right here. So that is the great part, because I'm going to bury this thing as deep as it'll go into each one of these individual pots. I am going to show you how I'm going to do one of these, and then I will speed you up for the remaining. Okay, y'all, I had to move to a different spot to film this because my mic is acting a fool. And yeah, the rest of this is probably going to be music, speed up, and some music and speed up. It's probably gonna be the rest of this video. All right, so y'all, I dug a hole down in here, you know, as deep as I can get it. And I am going to, actually I'm going to take this Oliver Green, because what I'm actually going to do is up pot both of these into the same pot for right now. I did not get any of these last year, and so I really want to try to get at least one of these to grow, so I'm hoping that one of them does. I'm gonna knock this dirt off and come right back. All right, I wanted to knock the dirt off so that we had just the root left behind, and then I'm gonna grab one more thing. Because these seedlings are probably gonna be in here a little while before they go outside, I'm just gonna put a little all-purpose fertilizer, oh goodness, down in the middle. All right, and so what I'm gonna do, y'all, like I said, is bury these all the way down to the leaves. And then if I need to add some more soil, I can. There's enough room to make that happen. But see, I buried it all the way down so that you just see the leaves. And so what I will also do is, once I've up potted them all, I'm going to fertilize them as well, and then put them back in the tray. So let's go ahead and finish this very tedious task on up. It was at this moment that I said to myself, maybe I should plant the tomato plants on opposite sides of the container so that it is easier to separate when it's time. So I decided for the ones that I had already put in the same hole, that the weakest link would get cut out before it was time for planting. So these smaller containers are going to have my dwarf tomatoes that I'm going to be putting into my green stalks. I am a container gardener, so I wanted some tomatoes that I can put in the green stalks, and then the others will be trellised using the Florida weave method with some tomato twine and some T-posts in grow bags. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and let those peppers soak in all of that fertilizer and get acclimated. I need to go over here to this seed starting area and work some magic because, yeah, it's not a lot of room, and yeah, I gotta do something. So I'm gonna go do that. Y'all have a great day, okay? I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.